Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be really quick, like really quick. I'm just gonna show you guys like some quick styles that I like to do with my hair, when it's not down or when it's not in twist. So yeah. Okay, so honestly, the one thing that you're gonna need is just a scrunchie. And I get these from Walmart. I think their brand is good. It's like a purple pack. And I get these because look, it's so stretchy and like it has no tension on my actual hair. And I could do like too loose with it, so it's not too loose, it is not too tight. And I could just pull and it's just, it gives me what needs to be given. So that's why I recommend get the ones from Walmart. I live by like a neighborhood Walmart and I just go and I get them like it's like I think like less than $1. It's really cheap and it's honestly worth it. All right, so now that that's over, let's just jump right into it. So I just like to do these just in between, like if I get bored of just having my hair down all the time, I just do these just like a little change, like a little something. So anyways, the first one I'm gonna show you guys is just a straight like a little bun. So I like to leave pieces in the front. So I'll do like 1 to 3. It depends on how I feel. So let's just do 3 just to show you guys. So we'll do 3 on each side. 3. And of course, it depends on how many locks you have. Because I do have a good amount in the front. That's how I can like do that. But you could do 1 or you could do 2. It's up to you. So I just do that. And then I pick up all of my hair on both sides. It doesn't have to be tight, and I just do 1 and I do 2, and that's it. Like, it's like a quick little, it's giving different, you know what I mean? So it's like I like to do that. And then if you want to spice it up, put some hoop earrings or some studs, a cute little necklace, period. So that is the first one. Let me just show you guys up close. Okay, so I also went and I got the hoops just so I could show you guys the difference it'll make. Because I feel like hoops just, look at that. Oh my God. Hoops just make everything better. That's just my opinion. Look at that. Come on. Okay, so let me take them off. And I'm going to go on to the next style. All right. So we're gonna start back from this. So the next one that I like to do is a half up, half down. This is like my go-to. I do this about 75% of the time because it's just really quick. Same thing as before. I like to leave some pieces in the front. So since I left 3, I'll do 2 this time. So I'll do 2 here and I will do 2 here. And then I take my hair from ear to ear and I just pick it up. And I also like to leave these little 2 pieces because I just don't want to pull on my hair too much because buns and stuff like that, like it's a lot of tension and I don't want to do all of that. So I just pull the 2 on the side here. All right. And then like sometimes you might get like a few random ones that also want to fall down. And if that happens, I just let it be because it also goes with the look. So then I do the same thing. I do just 2. I'll do 3 with this one just so you guys can see how stretchy this is. And it literally does not break. So after that, I just leave it up like this. And that's pretty much it. I feel like this is like such like a boho chic look, you know? Or you could like put it towards the back. It really just, it depends on you and the vibe that you're going for. I typically just let it do whatever it wants to do, and usually just this and that. Try to fix it like a palm tree. Perfect. And it's just this, like a half up, half down. And let me turn around. Yeah, it's giving royalty. And just like before, I'm going to show you guys with the earrings. You could kind of see there's like, it's not as big as the difference as the last one, but it's like a little pop, you know? So like, don't be scared to add earrings or necklaces to just like spice up the look to, you know, so you don't feel like you look the same every single day. You know what I mean? Because that can get like a little boring and we don't want to do that. So that is it for the second one. All right. And for the third one, this one is a little bit tricky. It depends on how much hair you have. And honestly, you know, I just kind of hit like a little, you know, a little here. So mine does it, but like barely. So I be trying to push it a little bit. So anyways, this one, let's do one. You know, I went from 3 to 2 to 1. So I pick up all of my hair. And so usually with this one, you see how like some of them just dropped in the front. I just let it, you know, it's not always one, but I'm going to try my best. So I try to pick up all of this. I try to get as much as I can. And you can see like my hand is like barely holding on to it. And I get this and I just pull it. And then I tighten it. And I'm going to do one more so I can make sure it's really tight. And I'm going to do the same thing as before. I'm just going to let it out and let it do its thing. And like I said, you know, sometimes some pieces just come out, and that's okay. If you don't want, you know, if you don't want one, you could just have as much as you want in the front. I like this because this just looks really good to me. So you can just have it like this, and this is the back. So a trick that I used to do when I couldn't pull the back as much as I can now, I would just do 2 buns. So I would do like the half bun, and then I would bring the back up and secure that. So it's like 2 buns, but it looks like it's one. Just like a little trick, you know, if you're not there yet, fake it till you make it, period. So this is the last one. This is how this one looks with the earrings added. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, like it's just that's pretty much it. It's just really quick just to show that, you know, you could do other stuff with your hair instead of just leaving it down or the two-strand twist. Or, you know, like if the other lock styles just look too complicated or like it'll take too much time and you want something quick, something easy, like just a change of, you know, just a change, you could just do like something like this, boom, boom. And what? Like, what's up? You know, it's just a quick little something just to, you know, have you look different, make you feel different so you don't feel like you're doing the same thing over and over and over again. Because like I said, you know, it could get kind of boring and that's understandable. So you could just do like a quick little updo, like a quick little bun, or even like 2 space buns. It really just go with it, you know, like it's you could do so much. You don't have to do just twists. You don't have to do little petals. Do whatever your hair can do. You don't have to wait for it to be long or whatever. Have fun with it. You know what I mean? Like I say, it's your journey and you have to make it the best that it can be for you. So that is pretty much it for this video. I just want to show you guys this like quick little styles that you could do with your hair, you know, just to like switch it up a little bit. And that is pretty much it for this video. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.